Hi, this is Mr. Held. Today, for our math lesson, I'm going to be wearing an Atlanta United hat. The reason I'm wearing an Atlanta United hat is because I love soccer, and they're a soccer team that plays in Atlanta. Remember, Atlanta is very close to Sandy Springs. The reason I mentioned soccer is because today we are going to be adding, and we are going to be using the sport of soccer to help us add. Are you ready to add with soccer? Here we go. Today, we're going to be adding with soccer. The two teams that are going to be playing soccer today are the one and only Lake Forest Lions, and they are going to be playing math. And they're going to be doing a great job. Your teacher today is number 1. His position is teacher, and his name is Mr. Held. That's me. Alright, let's get this math lesson started. Alright, so today I'm going to be starting with a 10 frame. This 10 frame right now is blank, but what you'll see in a little bit is that the 10 frame is actually going to have a certain number of soccer balls in it, which is cool, right? So the object of the math lesson today is to make the number 10. So we want to make the number 10. So because we have a 10 frame, we will know if we have the number 10, if this 10 frame is all filled up. Can you say that with me? All filled up. All filled up. Whenever you see a 10 frame that's all filled up, you know that that's the number 10. So let's go to our I can statement here. I want you to repeat after me. I can make the number 10 using addition. Alright, let's try to say that all together. I can make the number 10 using addition. Great job. We have 3 soccer balls in this 10 frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number 3. Remember, our goal is to have this 10 frame all filled up, because when it's all filled up, we have 10. So I'm going to draw in soccer balls to fill up the rest of the 10 frame. This way, the 10 frame will be all filled up, and we'll have the number 10. So I'm going to keep drawing until it is all filled up. Great. Now that I have the 10 frame all filled up, I'm going to count to see how many soccer balls I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so I'm going to draw the number 7. And here I see that 3 plus 7 equals 10. Can you say that? 3 plus 7 equals 10. Alright, now tell me, how many soccer balls are we starting with? How many are on there? It's half filled up. Yeah, there are 5. So what I need to do is I need to fill it up, because we want this 10 frame to be all filled up. So I'm going to draw soccer balls until this 10 frame is all filled up. One more. Okay. This 10 frame is all filled up. I can count to see how many I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it looks like I drew in 5 soccer balls. So now I have my number sentence. 5 plus 5 equals 10. How would you say it with me? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job. For this last problem, we are starting with 9 soccer balls already on the 10 frame. So I only need to draw in 1 soccer ball, right? And so I have 9 plus, and then how many did I draw in? Only 1. So 9 plus 1, that equals 10, because after I drew that soccer ball in, the 10 frame was all filled up. What we're going to do right now is we're going to do a math problem together. And we're going to do this math problem together before I send you off to do one on your own. And that will be the assignment that you submit to Class Dojo. But I'm going to kind of show you how we're going to do this assignment because it's a little bit tricky. So right here, I have a 10 frame. This 10 frame is not blank, but it's also not filled up. This 10 frame has 3 dots on it. And then on one of the sides of the 10 frame here, I see that there's a number sentence and it has a blank, and then it has an addition symbol. It has another underlined blank, it has equals, and then it has 10. So those underline blanks right there, those are going to be for us to fill in. So without explaining any more, I'm just going to recreate this on my paper, and this is exactly what I want you to do. So right here on my paper, I'm going to draw a 10 frame. Now, in order to draw a 10 frame, it might take a couple tries. You draw a rectangle, and you draw a line in the middle. And then you draw 4 lines going down. And just try your best. It's not going to look perfect. Just try your best. And double check to make sure you have 10 boxes in the 10 frame, right? So let's double check and count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now, I'm going to recreate this problem that we have right here. And I'm going to do that by drawing in 3 dots on my 10 frame. I'm choosing to do it with a different color. Now that we have our 3 dots drawn, what I need to do is I need to fill up the rest of that 10 frame. So I'm going to fill up the rest of that 10 frame with a black marker. Now, we started with 3 dots. So that's going to be the first number that I write, the number 3. In order to fill that 10 frame up, we added a lot of dots. I'm going to count to see how many dots we added here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots. And that equals the number 10. And we know that because this 10 frame is all filled up. I'm going to give you another problem, and I want you to try your best to do exactly what we did on this sheet, but with a new problem. That's what you're going to be submitting for your Class Dojo assignment. And remember, we just want you to try your best. Now I'm going to be explaining your assignment that you need to turn in on Class Dojo. Listen really carefully because this is a tricky assignment. But I know that you can do it because I believe in you, and all the teachers do at Lake Forest as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you your assignment right now. So up here, you'll see a 10 frame. This 10 frame has dots, just like the soccer balls, that are already in it. So this 10 frame is not blank, but it's not all filled up. Your job is to figure out how to make that 10 frame all filled up. Then what you need to do is you need to write the numbers in the number sentence. If you can show me a 10 frame that you made all filled up and the correct number sentence, that would be great. Now, if you have any trouble with this assignment, you can send a Class Dojo message to me or to any one of your teachers, and they will try to help you as best as they can. And just like they're trying their best, you just need to try your best on this assignment, and you will get full participation in a dojo point for trying your best. Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to seeing your work, and I really hope that you enjoyed adding with soccer today with Mr. Held. Bye-bye. We miss you. Once again, here is the assignment. Now, if you have any trouble, make sure that you reach out to a teacher on Class Dojo, and we will help you as best as we can. If you need to pause this video so you can see the assignment, that would be great. All right. Have a great week.